Hey everyone, this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I am going to be showing you how I am going to be making, how I'm going to be sublimating a picture on these satin pillowcases. All right, so here they are right here. That's the back, and this is the front. All right, so I have two of these pillowcases that I purchased from Amazon. It came in this package right here. All right, so these satin pillowcases will be linked in the description box below, so make sure you go and check them out. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I am going to be going to my photos here on my computer because I'm going to be printing out a picture of my husband and I. One is going to be from Valentine's Day when I decorated last year, and I'm going to do one probably of our anniversary. All right, so this is going to be kind of like a Valentine's Day gift for him. We're going to be putting it on our pillows in our bedroom. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, so I am here in my computer, and now what I'm doing, I'm just strolling up, down, whichever way I need to go in order to find the pictures that I would like to use. All right, so this is, you know, I told you I'm an event professional, event stylist. So I did this for us last year. So I did this for Valentine's Day. So I'm trying to find, okay, here's the picture. So I'm going to be using this picture right here. All right, of me and my husband. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and print this out on my Epson 2760, the printer that I sublimated over into the ET 2760 that I sublimated, that I converted over into sublimation. So I'm gonna be using that one, and I gotta go in here and find another one to use. All right. All right, so there may be an easier way to do it. I did not find one, so I had to do it the way that I saw fit for me. But in order for me to grab this picture from my computer, I had to go and bring it over into Canva. So I had to go here to where I did a, I clicked on my mouse right here. I did a right click, all right? I right clicked on it. I clicked on copy. And then I had to go down, go to Canva. And as you see, I went here into Canva. All right, so there's the one I've done. All right, I press on the space here, and then I had to paste it into Canva. So that would be Command V. All right, and as you see, it came over from the photos here on my computer. So your computer may be different, but that's how I had to do it for mine. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and size it. My ET 2760 only prints 8.5 by 11. It don't go any bigger. So if you would like to print any bigger, then you would need to get a larger, another type of sublimation printer, or I think they do have some Epson printers that print in larger, I'm not sure, but the one I have, the ET 2760, only prints 8.5 by 11. Okay, so that's what I'm going to use. All right, so I'm going to use this print dialog box here. All right, so now I'm just going to check everything to make sure it's the way that I want it. I'm going to check landscape for this one, and I'm just going to go to layout, check it, make sure everything's looking good. I want it to be flipped horizontally, so I'm just going to press this right here. Okay, go to paper handling, see how everything is looking. Scale to fit paper size. I'm going to scale it to fit the paper size of 8.5 by 11. Okay, I'm going to see how that works, and I'm going to printer options. Color matching is what I want. Okay, I want the color sync. I want the RGB right here. Press OK. All right, printer features. All right, so just make sure everything is good. I want to go here and use premium presentation paper matte. All right, all of that is off. I'm going to go to I want high quality What's the best quality? I'm gonna do best quality here. Mirror image off because remember I already flipped it. Okay. So I'm gonna go Adobe RGB here. All right, I'm gonna leave it at 2.2. All right, don't know what that is, so I'm gonna leave that. And just go through here, just make sure everything is okay. All right, everything is like I want it. Okay, so right here, just gonna change that. Thought I had already did that. And resolution, I want it on the highest. Okay, so I always check that. All right, I'm gonna press OK. Then I'm gonna go ahead and press print, get it print out. All right, so I wanted to show you my Epson 2760 again, ET 2760. And again, this is a printer that I converted over into sublimation. So this is it right here. So my image is printed out, as you see right here. And this is the paper. Okay, this is the paper that I use, the A-Sub 125G 8.5 by 11 paper. It does not go any bigger than that. So like I said, if you want something bigger, then you would have to get a bigger sublimation printer. All right, so this is the other picture that I'm going to be using of my daughter took. We did anniversary pictures a couple of years ago. So this is what I decided to do. Now the other one that I'm going to be putting on one of the pillowcases, I left it this way. But then I was thinking, I was like, okay, now I know I can do this a little bigger. So I decided to turn it. Okay, I'm going to turn it this way and just see how it do. Now I'm going to make it a little larger. You know, I'm always up for trying things. If it don't work, guess what? It just don't work. So I'm going to try it this way just to see how it works. Okay, let me see. I'm trying to get a little bit more of myself here. Okay, and get a little bit more of my husband right here, and just go ahead and just fill up the sides here. Okay, all right, so like I said, just play around with it and just see what works for you, and just see how it print out. So I'm gonna go ahead and print this and see how it works this way. Okay, if not, I can come back and do it the other way. All right. All right, so this is how this one looks, the first one that I did, and it's nice. All right, so I gotta go here and trim around the white, take the white edges off because I don't want that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let the second one print that I showed you, that I'm gonna do, and if that one looks better, and I can have it a little longer, I may just do that one, or I may just go ahead and do this because I don't like the waste paper, since it's actually, you know, it looks pretty good. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and sublimate my pillowcase with the picture, one of the images that you saw. Now, as you see, this has a zipper on it, so I'm not going to put heat on that because you don't want to put heat on a zipper. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to open it up and go ahead and put some butcher paper in here, and that is just to keep any ink or anything from coming through, because I don't want it coming through the back. All right, so I'm just going to put a little paper down in here, and as you see, I put some here to just protect the bottom part of my heat press. All right, so I have my lint roller, so make sure you have the lint roller to go ahead and get any lint off of your pillowcase. And the lint roller and everything, a lot of things that you see here will be in the description box below. Okay, all right, so now I have some heat tape here, and this is the image that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to put it just like this. All right, since my heat press is not a very large one, I'm just going to have to just press in sections, which I have done before, and it came out just fine. All right, so just go ahead, take your tape, and just apply it here on your image. And this is just to hold it down because you do want to make sure that your image is down on whatever it is that you're going to put, a picture or whatever your image is, okay? That you're going to put it on, okay? What's this? Okay, so I have my heat press at 350 for 60 seconds. I have this Teflon sheet that I'm just going to place on top of my image. Okay, you can use butcher paper also, but I just found this, so I'm going to go ahead and use this. Okay, and go ahead and I'm going to have to pull mine down. Press it. All right, so let's go ahead and see what it do. All right, so I brought you in a little closer so that you can see. And as you can see the design coming through the paper here. So that's a good sign that it did take. Now, right here at the bottom where I had to kind of pull it up because, like I said, my heat press is not large enough to get the whole thing at one time. So I had to pull it up. It's coming through a little bit, so we're going to hope that it took, okay? So let's go ahead. I got my little pick here. So let's just kind of pull it up a little bit. Don't want to rip anything. Okay, I think I can grab the tape right here. Just pull it up. Okay, it's looking good here at the bottom. All right, y'all, look at that. Ooh, this is looking nice. I love it. Do y'all see this? This is really, really pretty. Let me bring y'all in a little closer, okay? All right, here it is. Like I said, again, this is the satin pillowcase that I got from Amazon. The link will be in the description box below. But this is the picture of my husband and I last year, Valentine's Day. And I had decorated and fixed us some chocolate covered strawberries and pineapples and all of that, as you see in the background. And we dressed alike. So this is cute. So I'm going to give this to him for Valentine's Day this year. And we're going to put it on our pillows in our bedroom. So I have another one that I'm going to be showing you, okay? Let me go ahead and get that one. All right, so here's the other picture that I'm going to be doing. This is our anniversary picture. My daughter took pictures of us. So I'm going to be using this second satin pillowcase to put that picture on, okay? And I'm just going to do the same thing with the butcher paper. Put one on the inside, leave one here on the my heat press, the bottom of my heat press, okay? All right, somebody should have told me that I did not pre-press the first one. All right, so that's one thing I did do on the first pillowcase, but I'm going to go ahead and do that one here on this one. So I'm just going to take my Teflon sheet, just put it here and just pre-press it for a little while, okay? All right, y'all, so as you see, I have pre-pressed it. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my picture, just going to do the same thing I did last time and just place it face down here on the pillowcase, okay? All right, and this one fits a little better because it's going the opposite way. The other one's just up and down. This one is going from left to right. All right, so I'm just going to do the same thing. Take the heat tape and just apply it all over the picture, okay? All right, so as you see, I've taped everything. Have a Teflon sheet here, so I'm just going to take it, put it on here. Remember, I'm at 350 for 60 seconds. My heat press. Bring it down. All right. All right, y'all. So as you can see, the picture, you can't really see it by bringing it in closer, but the picture is showing through the paper here. So now what we're gonna do is cooled off. We're gonna lift it up and see how it turned out. All right, so y'all ready for this big reveal? All right, you ready? Remember I do the big reveal? I haven't done a big reveal in a while, so today this here is gonna be the big reveal, okay? This particular pillowcase. So let's go. All right, it's looking good so far, y'all. Okay. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Look, it's a little ink look like I got right there, or something. Maybe I didn't get that. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love it. This is super cute. Super cute, y'all. All right, let me bring you in closer. All right, y'all, so as you see, it is absolutely gorgeous. Now, I don't know what that is they got right there, some ink or something, but that's okay. Like I said, it's going to be for here at home. But this is our anniversary photo shoot, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, y'all, look. All right. I love both of these satin pillowcases. They are absolutely amazing, and as you see, they take well when it comes to images, so I absolutely love them. Remember, the link will be in the description box below, so go and check it out. All right, go and check it out. Thank you for supporting my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right, I hope that you all have an amazing Valentine's, and I will see y'all in my next video.